All right. Now, welcome back to my channel. This is Empirical Formula Part 2. If you have any problem with this, do not worry. I'm giving it another perspective to it, and I assure you, you're going to understand it. Now, follow me. The question on the board says 6 grams of a metal N reacts completely with 23.66 grams of chlorine to form 29.66 grams of metallic chloride. Find the empirical formula of the metallic chloride. Now, how do we go about this? First of all, let's write out the element. So we're going to have the element is what? M and what? Cl. Let's write out the reacting masses. Given we have 6 grams of M and then 23.66 grams of chlorine. Now we'll find the mole ratio. How do we find our mole ratio? By calculating the number of moles. And that's going to be what? Reacting mass divided by what? Molar mass. So the reacting mass is 6 divided by the molar mass given the relative atomic mass, which was 27. So we're going to say 6 divided by 27. And that is supposed to give us 0.222. Now we'll come here, we'll say 23, which is the reacting mass, 0.66 divided by the relative atomic mass of chlorine, 35.5. So if we do that, we'll get 23.66 divided by 35.5. What we get? We'll get 0.664. Now we'll divide through by the smallest number. The smallest number is 0.22. If you do that, we'll have 1. Divide through by 0.222. Divide by 0.222. We'll get 3. So the mole ratio is 1:3, meaning that the empirical formula of the compound is anytime you have 1 M, we are going to have 3 C. And this is the empirical formula of that compound. If you find this helpful, please give us a like, share it in WhatsApp group, share it to your status, share it to where you think to someone that will benefit it, share it on your Facebook wall. And if you find it also interesting, have a question you want to ask, leave it in the comment section, or you can equally contribute. See you in my next video.